Today we are going to discuss with AWS security, identity and compliance. So first we will discuss about on-premises and the AWS cloud. On-premises is a type of computing which all computing resources are accessed and managed by or from the premises. Cloud computing is provide the pool of resources which can access through the online. So there is a challenges of on-premises workloads. First one is maintenance. Uh, with an on-premises system, you are responsible for maintaining server, hardware, softwares, data backups, storage, and disaster recovery. This maintenance can be an issue for small companies that have limited budget and technical resources. Second one is cost. With an on-premises system, there are a lot of hidden costs such as annual maintenance, hardware costs, server maintenance, IT personnel costs, etc. Third one is mobility. On-premises system can be accessed remotely but often require third-party support, access, and authentications. This support increases the risk of security and communication failures. Fourth one is scalability. If a company with on-premises server experience in an increase in computing needs, it has no choice but invest in expensive new infrastructures. Uh, so, Security in the cloud, AWS cloud. Security in the AWS cloud. Uh, There are three types: confidentially, integrity, and availability. Confidentially mean it refers to protecting information from unauthorized parties. In other words, only the people who are authorized to do so can gain access to sensitive data. Imagine your bank records. You should be able to access them. Of course, an employee at the bank who are helping you with the transaction should be able to access them, but no one else should. A failure to maintain confidentiality means that someone who shouldn't have access has managed to get it through international behavior or by accident. Such a failure of confidentiality, commonly known as a breach, typically cannot be remedied. Then second one is integrity. Integrity means protect information from unauthorized alternations. Uh, these measures provide assurance in the accuracy and completeness of data. The third one is availability. Availability. It refers to ability to access data of a resource when it is needed. As such, the information has value only if the authorized people can access at the right time. Then AWS shared responsibility model. AWS is responsible for protecting the global infrastructure that runs all the services offered in the AWS cloud. This infrastructure comprises the hardware, softwares, networking, and facilities that run AWS services. Then AWS well architectured framework. AWS well architectured framework. The AWS well architectured framework help you to understand the positive and pros and cons of decision make while building system on AWS. By using AWS